This video describes some 3D models of shelves that I have up for sale. Each package comes with 4 posts and a set of shelves in either green epoxy or chrome material, all parented by an empty. Each package is designed to deliver a set of shelves that can be quickly added to your scene or customized to suit your needs. The shelves are easily adjusted up or down, or you can duplicate or delete them as needed. Each package delivers a different width and/or depth of shelves. Widths go from 24 to 60 inches in 6-inch increments or 72 inches. The depth of the shelves are 12, 14, 18, 21, or 24 inches. Those are the sizes that seem to be commonly available in these sorts of shelves. All packages come with 6-foot posts. They have a plastic cap on top and a rubber foot screwed into the bottom, both adding to the overall post height. The post length can be easily adjusted, although that does require some setup in the UVs. Just select the post and head over to UV editing. Select all the vertices on the post, select all the vertices on the UV map, and then say UV seams from islands. That'll make sure you have the seams correct. Then pin all of your UVs. Pin, oop, and then unpin just these UVs at the top of the leg. UV, unpin. And now if I want to select, if I want to change the length of the leg, it's easily done. Now that I've scrunched the legs down, you might notice that the ribs seem to be a little bit too close together. If we go back to UV editing, with everything else pinned in place, except the top of the leg, we just go UV, unwrap conformal, and now our UVs are properly scaled again. So in this way you can create any length of post that you want, which is the same as if you're putting these kinds of shelves into a kitchen. You might want to cut a post off at any sort of length to fit underneath another counter or something like that. The repeating texture images allow for this scalability of the posts. A repeating texture image set also allows a single image set to provide the textures for all sizes of shelves. So if you're buying multiple sizes, you can set them all up to use the same few images. I've also made the posts and shelves in each package linked clones of a single instance to keep these shelves as light as possible on your renders. If you import the wavefront object format, there are a few details you may need to adjust. The first is recreating the seams and UV pinning as I mentioned earlier. You'll also need to add a subdivision modifier across your objects. Creases don't port through the wavefront format either, so you need to add some to the loop cuts at the top and bottom of the pole section and at the top and bottom of the threaded section on the foot. You'll also have to go through the shaders and set the normal roughness and metal maps to non-color. I really recommend importing the FBX format if you can, or the native Blender format. Anyway, I plan to add some value packs so you can get some savings if you need multiple sizes of shelves. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments in the comments.